Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Check your adapter model and use a direct USB 3.0 port because bandwidth and power matter for stable input. Once the adapter is seated, power your Xbox controller and either connect the USB-C cable or put the controller into pairing mode. Make sure Windows recognizes a new device in Device Manager. If it doesn't, unplug and try a different port. This immediate verification avoids wasted steps later and ensures you're ready for driver and pairing work. Next, you install drivers and pair. If the adapter needs a vendor driver, grab it through Windows Update or the manufacturer's installer. Drivers ensure low latency and full feature access. Once drivers are active, go to Bluetooth and devices or the adapter's pairing utility. Press the adapter's sync button, then press the controller's sync. Watch for the LED confirmation. If pairing fails, retry with a fresh reboot. Correct drivers plus a clean pairing window are why connections become reliable and responsive. Finally, you configure inputs and verify functionality. Use Windows devices and printers or Steam input to calibrate axes, adjust dead zones, and map buttons so games read the controller correctly. Once done, launch a test game to confirm vibration and input lag are acceptable. Adjust settings iteratively. If something goes wrong, update adapter and controller firmware, swap USB ports, avoid front panel hubs, and check batteries or cable integrity. These fixes resolve most connectivity or responsive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.